Alright, so we are going to make a realistic bubble today. I gave you a small piece of paper, I gave you a circle stencil, and you have a color pencil. Alright, so what you're going to do is get your small paper and find the biggest circle in your stencil, and I want you to make a circle anywhere on the paper. One circle. Okay? Once you do that, you are going to, on the left side of the bubble, you're going to make a letter C shape. And you're going to stop and go backwards, and you're going to turn it into a crescent moon shape. Okay, so on the left side of your bubble, make a little crescent moon shape. That's going to be the highlight of your bubble. We're going to do a realistic bubble, and that's the highlight. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do, put your pencils down and watch. Put your pencils down and watch me. Okay, don't do anything until I say go. You're going to get your pencil, and like last week I showed you how to do light, medium, and dark. So we're going to do value on this bubble to make it look real. You're going to push down real hard and do the darkest value around the crescent moon shape. Okay, as hard as you can, you do the crescent moon shape dark around it. Follow the contour. Then I'm going to soften up a little bit and go medium now. So I'm not going to push down as hard. And when I do medium, I'm going to start going in little circular motions, so that the transition of light, medium, dark isn't a hard line. You see it real gradual, the transition. So little circular motions to blend it. Go medium, don't push down as hard. Then you go softer and softer. Start barely touching the paper. Real soft to where you're not touching it at all. And then you see the gradual transition from light, medium, and dark. And this is how you make a realistic bubble using values, light, medium, and dark. Okay, so pick up your pencil. Go ahead and pick up your pencil now. Try to do the transition. Make a realistic bubble using light, medium, and dark pressure. And then the last step, if you want to add a little extra in order to make the bubble look like it's sitting on the floor of the table, all you do is draw a little straight line under it like this, and add a little bit of shadow, and now it just looks like it's sitting on the table or on the floor. Okay, so there's your realistic bubble using light, medium, and dark.